Hey, welcome to the channel. And normally I show you guys the fashion side of things due to the markets here in Guangzhou, China. But today I'm gonna take my time to step into one of the sneaker shops. They do a little bit of consignment and they have a collection in the back. I've had a video a long time ago, but it got taken down. So let's check out, in my opinion, the best sneaker shop here in Guangzhou, China. So first off, the name of this sneaker shop is XH55. Give you a quick look. There we go. Now the background story about this place, it was one of the first sneaker and like hype type stores, but mainly focused on basketball shoes and that type of culture. It was originally located in the area code XH55, and then it just got its name from that after it grew so big and needed to move. So let's walk in and see what they have to offer. Now this store has a Jordan account, so they get all the releases, even the limited stuff, and you usually have to do a raffle to get it. Let's have a quick look. Yeah. So first over here you got, a full-size the picture frame famous. Many NBA collectors know this, of Michael Jordan. I had one back when I was a kid, but it got destroyed over years of moving. See, they got some of the figurines here and some artwork up at the top. New stock obviously must have come in, and then let's have just a quick look at some of the artwork and the layout of the store. You got a basketball net, some Halloween artwork over here with the Ghostbusters cartoon painted very nicely. Very popular Dragon Ball Z, NBA images. Just really nice overall themed artwork. And up here they got, I guess, one of the latest games, the Lakers versus Memphis, and see, it's more of like a basketball style store. I mean, I'm sure they have some of the other stuff, but this is the type of sneakers I really enjoy. So let's have a look at what they have for sale. So if you want authentic kicks other than going to like Nike or Adidas here, this is the shop I would normally come to. Sizes are difficult sometimes, but obviously since it's NBA and basketball shoes, they do get larger sizes. But kid sizes and the regular stuff is what they keep a lot. And you can see they do customs here as well with the paint. They probably also, it looks like they do custom paintings for clients. You got the 9 boot, and those things sat at outlets for the longest time. Then after seeing their regular showroom, you can see they have all the boxes. These are actually what I need to invest in. You sell these boxes? No. No? Oh. Okay, so they don't sell the boxes, but it looks very nice for the display purposes. One of my favorite things about the shop is they have all their main collectible pieces over here. You see the Off-White series, but then the game worn pairs, and a little bit of an art theme like we've seen in my video about the Beijing store. Now it doesn't have as much art and collectible pieces, but I mean they do have a great style. Look at this, cracked, so it's obviously, you can tell by the age and wear that it's an OG pair. And they got one of the clocks. I've seen these multiple times on Taobao, but usually with the clocks, they're all faked pairs. I mean, because it's just for a clock, you can tell that these are old original pairs by the yellowing and then turned into a clock. And then some bear bricks for the SB editions. Now let's move over to the back over here, and you can see their shoe wall. Their shoe wall runs from almost everything. Is this just collection or is it consignment for sale?
No, for sale.
Now for okay, so it's just the team's collection to show you what they've had over the years. I'm gonna see, it's really nice to see people actually displaying a bunch of kids shoes for collection. And these brings me back to memories when I used to have hundreds of pairs from outlets of some of these models because no one was really buying up the grade school sizes. And that's when I turned around and saw the opportunity to make money. And now you can see, you know, they don't just have the old stuff, they have new stuff going on. And last time I came, this was like not loaded up like this. So as new pairs come out, they're constantly getting them and then putting them into the rotation of the collection. And then this is the side I really like to see, because a lot of shops, they don't like to display LeBrons or, you know, Kyries, and this is what I grew up with, the Nike basketball, and it's still what I love to this day. I'll take, you know, any of these pairs over Yeezys any day. Well, not any of these pairs, but a majority of these pairs. I mean, you said not for sale, but there's a few here that have price tags next to it, so that's where the small consignment, and you could also tell a lot of the ones that have a price tag next to it aren't the like really old rare ones that, you know, you're not gonna get anymore unless, especially here in China, unless you go back to the North America and you know, go on StockX. Then you can see there's just tons of boxes too for product. And they do have some jerseys back there for NBA and some other, looks like running shoes, whatnot. A pool table for fun. But that's just a quick look at everything inside of here. Once again, it's XH55, and oh, they got the Rasta clot arm bracelets. And just, you know what? I'm happy to see a lot of this selection over here. Because from what I normally see, it's only the stuff I show you guys at the fake markets. With the amount of people we have here in Guangzhou, it's close to 16 million. Obviously, you're going to get those people that are collectors and NBA enthusiasts. So they have a place like this they can come to and get the actual pairs. But when it comes to fashion, you see mostly on the street that people are wearing fakes, and it's, you know, it's all about how you really care about something in life. Now let's see that these are probably their XH55 shirts. Yeah, you can see the home brand stuff. Just looks like your generic like college shirts or that type of thing. The material's good. It's good quality. No upstairs, right? Yeah. They have a bunch of collectible things upstairs on display, but it's more like their stock area, their staff area. Have a look. There's just a small amount of things, but once again, this is XH55 in Guangzhou, China. And it's a good place to come check out whether you're here for Canton Fair, vacation, or anything, and you want to see authentic sneakers other than just the markets, right? So this is a place to come and collect stuff. And if you're new living in Guangzhou, this is a place you can come to try to get the releases that you want to buy. And do you guys do a raffle system or just line up for Jordan release? Line up?
Yes.
Okay, so line up, no raffle system, unlike the Jordan store and other places. So who knows what the camp's like? That could be something very interesting for a sneaker collector here, to experience camping out in China as to camping out in the West. And I guess that's it. So I'm gonna head out and go on the rest of my day.
Hello.
Yes.
Can you do this?
She's going to show me something. This is...
wait, I can't read it. This one, Fear of God.
Oh, the Fear of God release.
yes,
Okay.
yes.
So here's the Fear of God release. You can see there's a lot of people that came out for this one. But I have a feeling most of these people wanted to sell the shoe, just like at a lot of the other places. Some will wear it, but I haven't actually seen it anywhere in Guangzhou yet wearing the Fear of Gods. I've just seen them on Taobao and at the markets. So, but there is a huge demand for them, and there is people that love their sneakers. Thank you. So as I said, once again, this is the shop XH55. Bye-bye. And you can have a quick look. Now, a way to find this is I go to the Zoo metro stop and then I walk from there. I just type it in my GPS and it's exit C. Then when you get out, you're gonna go left down the road for about 10-15 minute walk. And then when you get to this big turnaround, you're gonna continue straight, a few more streets down, turn left. Easiest way is pop it into your Chinese GPS and it will show up, just XH55. Another thing you could do is you can follow that street down there. I believe there's a restaurant over there called it's a North American restaurant. I forget the name of it, but I'll leave it in the description. Anyways, I've been mumbling on for too long, so this is my favorite sneaker shop in China, well, at least in Guangzhou, called XH55. And if you like this video, leave a comment for me to show you some of the other sneaker shops we have here other than the traditional Nike, Jordan, and you name it stores. Till next time, Hollywood, take it easy.